Right, so I was trying to make an insect habitat, animal habitat, however you want to put it. I bought that little thing, which, to be fair, nothing. And then I put all them twigs, nothing. And then bits of wood that are under there, they were over the other side of the garden. That was crawling with things. So I've moved the wood over here now, and then I put the twigs on top, that there. So hopefully now, well, there's already things living in it because it was living on that wood. So there's more living on it now than there was before. So hopefully that will encourage little things into my garden